Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy English Daily, the place where English feels simple, friendly, and possible. I'm Olivia, and I'm really happy you're here today.
And I'm Jack. Hello, beautiful learners. If you're new here, quickly hit subscribe and leave a short comment like, I practice English every day. All right, let's jump right in.
Today, we're talking about something very powerful, very realistic, and very important for beginners.
Yes, today's topic is how to improve your English speaking with just 10 minutes a day.
Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just 10 minutes.
And before you think 10 minutes is too little, let us tell you something.
10 minutes of speaking is better than 2 hours of just watching.
Exactly, because English is not a subject. English is a skill.
Many A1, A2 learners say, I don't have time, I'm busy, I'm tired.
But almost everyone has 10 minutes.
And when you practice a little every day, your brain stays connected to English.
No stress, no forgetting, no long breaks.
Today, we will build a simple daily speaking routine you can use anywhere, at home, before work, after dinner, even quietly, alone.
We will practice together, speak together, think together.
Let's start with the first 2 minutes. This part is called the warm-up.
Just like your body needs warm-up, your English needs warm-up too.
No grammar yet, no rules, just your voice. Repeat after me slowly. I am ready. I feel good. I am calm. I am focused.
Good. Now repeat with me. I want to learn. I want to speak. I want to improve.
Perfect. These sentences prepare your mouth and your brain.
Now let's add today. Repeat. I'm learning today. I'm practicing today. I'm speaking today.
Great. This is not about perfection. It's about starting.
Quick grammar note. Very easy.
I am becomes I'm in speaking.
So we say, I'm ready. I'm learning. I'm speaking.
That's it. No more explanation. Now we move to the heart of your 10-minute routine.
This part uses patterns.
Patterns are sentences you can reuse again and again.
First pattern, I usually. Repeat after me. I usually study in the evening.
I usually practice at home.
I usually learn for 10 minutes.
Now you try. Say one sentence with I usually.
Excellent.
This is for what is happening right now. Repeat. I'm learning now.
I'm practicing now.
I'm listening now.
Good. Now let's combine.
Listen. I usually study in the evening, but I'm practicing now.
Repeat slowly.
This sentence is powerful, simple, but natural.
Very quick explanation.
I usually study, this is simple present. It means habit.
I'm practicing now. This is present continuous. It means action now.
You don't need more grammar than this to start speaking.
Really.
Now let's speak like real people.
Repeat after us.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm practicing English.
Perfect.
Now let's change one word.
What are you doing?
I'm learning English.
Great. This is real conversation English.
Now we build confidence.
Repeat these sentences out loud. I can speak a little English.
I'm improving.
I'm learning every day.
I make mistakes, and that's okay.
Again, slowly.
Never say, my English is bad.
Say, my English is improving.
Last minute, very important.
Look around you.
Say the words in English.
Phone, table, chair.
Window.
Now make tiny sentences.
This is my phone.
This is a table.
That is a chair.
You're not studying English now.
You're using English.
And that's the secret. Now let's slow down just a little and go deeper.
You already warmed up. You already spoke. Now your English brain is awake.
In this part of your daily 10-minute routine, we focus on clarity, comfort, and real communication.
Many beginners think good English means long sentences.
But real English starts with short, clear ideas.
Let's practice expanding sentences, step by step.
Repeat after me. I study English.
Good. Now we add time. I study English every day.
Now add place. I study English at home.
Now add feeling. I study English at home and I feel good.
See? Still simple English, but now it sounds complete.
Quick note, no fear.
When we add words like every day, at home, in the evening, we are just giving more information, not changing grammar.
The verb stays simple. I study. I practice. I learn.
That's why beginners can speak faster than they think.
Now, let's practice patterns you can use every single day.
Pattern 1. I try to. Repeat. I try to speak English.
I try to practice every day.
I try to learn something new.
This pattern is powerful because it's honest.
You don't need to be perfect. You just try.
Pattern 2. I feel.
Repeat slowly. I feel confident.
I feel nervous.
I feel tired.
I feel motivated.
Now combine. I feel nervous, but I try to speak.
Excellent sentence. Very real.
Let's imagine a very normal situation.
You meet a friend at home. Repeat after us. Talk. Hi. What are you doing?
I'm practicing English.
Oh, nice. How long do you practice?
About 10 minutes a day.
That's great.
Thank you.
Simple, friendly, real.
You're not memorizing.
You're responding.
This trains your brain to react in English, not translate.
Some days you feel tired.
Some days you feel busy.
That's normal.
So your routine must be gentle.
Repeat these sentences. I'm tired, but I can try.
I don't have much time, but I can practice.
10 minutes is enough today.
This keeps your English habit alive.
Now let's practice asking questions. Repeat. What are you doing?
Where are you going?
When do you practice?
Now answer.
I'm practicing English.
I'm going home.
I practice in the evening.
Questions create conversation.
And conversation creates confidence.
This exercise is amazing for speaking.
You talk to yourself, out loud.
Repeat after me, slowly.
I'm sitting now.
I'm listening to English.
I'm practicing speaking.
I feel calm.
This is how children learn languages.
And it works for adults, too.
Many learners say nothing because they fear mistakes.
But mistakes are part of speaking.
Repeat. I make mistakes.
I learn from mistakes.
I improve every day.
This mindset is important.
Now listen to a very short story. Then repeat. Today I practice English. I speak a little. I feel happy. I practice every day. I improve.
Now repeat the whole story.
Great job. Repeat these sentences. I wake up early.
I eat breakfast.
I work or study.
I practice English.
I relax in the evening.
Now combine two. I work during the day and I practice English in the evening.
This is everyday English.
Add words like a little, usually, sometimes. Repeat.
I usually practice in the evening.
I sometimes feel tired.
I speak a little English.
Native speakers use these words all the time.
Repeat after us. How is your English?
It's improving.
How do you practice?
I practice 10 minutes a day.
Nice and clear.
Right now, something important is happening.
Your English feels more comfortable.
You're not rushing.
You're not stressing.
You're just speaking.
And that's exactly how progress feels.
Let's keep going gently, step by step, building stronger English with the same calm rhythm.
As you keep speaking like this, something interesting happens.
Your English starts to feel familiar.
Not perfect, not fast, but comfortable.
And comfort is the real goal for beginners.
Many learners stop because they think too much.
So let's practice automatic speaking. Repeat after me. I'm here. I'm ready. I can speak.
Again, a little faster. I'm here. I'm ready. I can speak.
Good. This is muscle memory for your mouth.
Let's imagine you are outside.
You meet someone. Repeat after us.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Nice day, right?
Yes, very nice.
Simple talk. Very natural.
Notice something?
We are not explaining grammar.
But you are using it correctly.
This is how speaking grows. Now let's talk about the future. The easy way. Repeat. I'm going to practice. I'm going to learn English. I'm going to speak more.
This pattern is friendly and natural.
You don't need complicated future tense.
Say 3 things you are going to do today. Example, I'm going to practice English. I'm going to watch a video. I'm going to relax.
Your turn.
Very important skill.
You don't need to stop speaking.
Repeat these life-saving sentences. How do you say this in English? I don't know the word. Can you help me?
These keep the conversation alive.
Let's practice a simple situation.
Repeat both sides. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want a coffee.
Small or large?
Small, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect. This is real English.
Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you very much.
These words build confidence instantly. Repeat. My name is. I'm from. I'm learning English. I practice every day.
Now combine. My name is Alex. I'm from Italy. I'm learning English.
You can introduce yourself anywhere.
Listen first. Every day, I practice English. I speak a little. I feel more confident. I don't stop. I improve.
Now repeat the whole story.
Never say, my English is bad.
Say, my English is improving. Repeat, I'm improving. I'm learning. I'm getting better.
Your brain listens to your words.
Repeat, where are you from? What do you do? Do you like English?
Now answer. I'm from. I work/I study. Yes, I like English.
Conversation is equal to questions plus answers.
Look around again.
But now say full sentences. This is my room. I'm sitting here. I'm practicing English.
You are thinking in English now.
Use and, but, because. Repeat. I practice and I improve. I feel tired, but I try. I practice because I want to speak.
Small words, big power.
Repeat slowly.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you speak English?
A little. I'm learning.
Me too.
Friendly, simple, real.
Without noticing, you already did it.
You warmed up.
You spoke.
You practiced patterns.
You used real English.
And it only took 10 minutes. Repeat slowly with confidence. I practice English every day. I speak a little. I feel confident. I'm improving. I can speak. I will keep going.
This is how English becomes part of your life.
Not pressure.
Not stress.
Not stress.
Just daily use.
And daily use creates fluency.
Let's continue learning, speaking, and growing, one calm sentence at a time, every single day.